Ever wondered how to buy I bonds? Here's how. Go to your Treasury Direct account. Once you're logged in, go to the top left and click on the Buy Direct tab. Once in the Buy Direct tab, scroll down to Series I, click and select Series I, and then press Submit. Now you're in the Buy screen. Type in a purchase amount. Has to be greater than $25. Schedule a date. Press Submit. And confirm, and you'll have placed an order for an I bond. Want to know an easier way? Download Treasury Viewer so you can buy it on the mobile app. From the mobile app, go to the Buy tab, go to Series I, type in the amount, pick the purchase date, you just do today, and then place the order. And just like that, you've successfully placed an order. Here we go to the Manage Orders tab to see. As you can see, the order I placed before and the order I just placed now both show up within the app. And that's how you buy a Series I bond.